Welcome. In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So if you want to change the language on your watch, first you need to wake up the screen on it, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, find the option called, I believe it's going to be language or system language. It's language. And once you find the language option, tap on it. Now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the language will be applied. Let me quickly change it to English, like this. And once you're done changing the language, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.